But here, on this day, at this institution, it must be said, the extraordinary precision and professionalism displayed that day was made possible, in no small measure, by the training, the discipline, and the leadership skills that so many of those officers learned at the United States Naval Academy. I told her that it was because of her willingness to share her story and the extraordinary activism that she and people like her all across the country displayed, not just this year, but over the last several years, that we are finally this close to getting reform done. And over the decades that followed, she displayed a range like few others. Sometimes the middle ranges as a mezzo, sometimes the highs of a soprano, sometimes both in the same performance. You displayed the values that we celebrate every 4th of July: duty, responsibility, and patriotism. It requires the kind of courage that so many of your leaders have already displayed.
As has been mentioned, during this crisis, the Jordanian people have displayed extraordinary generosity, but the strains of so many refugees inevitably is showing.
That's the spirit you've displayed in recent days. At the same time, when faced with potential global economic meltdown, he has displayed tremendous courage and creativity. So even before you have seen some of these films, you need to know that what these filmmakers have displayed is the incredible innovation and creativity of this generation coming up. When you read the records of these individuals, it's unimaginable, the valor that they displayed. And yet, with the love of their mother, Macarena, his 3 youngest daughters have displayed a strength beyond their years. And perhaps because Poles know better than most how precious freedom truly is, Poland and your president have displayed outstanding leadership in recent months. And perhaps he's been surprised by the degree of unity that's been displayed. You displayed great skill and professionalism.